Hey, dear English learners, welcome to English Boost Lab, where learning is fun and easy. Today we are starting with the building blocks of English, the alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, and each letter has its unique sound and shape. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize and pronounce each letter correctly. So let's dive and explore the letters together. We normally write the English letters in two different forms. Capital letters like this and lowercase letters or small letters like this. In English alphabet there are 5 vowel letters like A, E, I, O, and U. These 5 letters are called vowels. The others are consonant letters. These are consonant letters in English language. Now let's continue the lesson and practice the pronunciation of English letters. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, and Z, Z. The letters on the left are capital, but the ones on the right are small or lowercase letters. And also, the letters in red are vowel letters. The letter Y is semi-vowel because sometimes it is vowel, in other times it's consonant. So now let's repeat the letters once again. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, U, U, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, and Z, Z. Okay, our lesson for today is over. In the next lesson, we will talk about English alphabet sounds. So thank you very much for being with me. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, share and like the videos. And also leave your comments in the comment section. Wish you guys all the best and see you next time.